Hey everyone, this is Fred with Straight Edge Reviews with my daughter doing a mystery McDonald's unboxing here.
Thanks.
So my daughter just got back from visiting her grandma and grandpa, and so I surprised her by buying her a couple more of these Minions. They're kind of like a Funko in a way. I mean, the way that they're like little statues or so. So she doesn't know what's in here. I don't know what's in here. There's a couple of toys in here. She has gotten these, and then her cousin has helped her get some of these as well. I'm gonna see which one is your favorite of these right now.
Okay, so I have two favorites. That one.
Uh-oh, they all tumbled down. It's okay. Here, just help me. Uh-oh. So which one is your favorite?
This one.
The Kung Fu Bob?
Yeah, and this one.
The golden... Okay.
Okay, everyone, my cousin got this and she let me have it.
Is that a good cousin that helps you, lets you have her toy?
Yeah, she's very nice. Her name is Soleil. If you have watched the video of me and my cousin and my dad, have you watched that video? Well, head on to our
other channels, other videos, and you can see in previous videos, she was in some of them doing unboxings. So please like and subscribe to our channel as we're trying to branch out of mystery stuff to do together as father and daughter doing together.
Yeah.
So let's put your golden minion down.
Okay.
And go ahead and reach in. And how many are in there?
1, 2, 3.
3? Okay. So you want to go ahead and reach one out and let you go ahead and open it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and open it.
How do I open this?
Okay.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Stretch it out.
So right now at McDonald's, they have these Minions, the Rise of Gru figures that kids can get right now, and my daughter loves Minions. So you want to show them off what it looks like?
Look,
so they come. Oh, it's upside down. There you go. Now I'll show it. So they come in they look like Pokeballs, Pokemon balls.
Ooh, you like this one?
Which one do we get? Show.
Or
gonna take it. Okay, show. Is that a Minion on roller skates?
Yeah, and headphones.
And it's got headphones, so it must be going down the street, listening to some jams, some music.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's put them down. Yeah.
Okay.
We don't know when that movie's gonna come out, but.
Then let's go on to the next one.
Next one.
Then can you hold me?
Oh, well, of course I can, sweetheart.
Let's put it with the other Minions.
Okay. You can do the honors, sweetheart.
Oh, now yeah.
So this one, oh, look at this one. This one doesn't have any eyebrows.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Did they forget them?
Oh.
Who is that?
I don't know.
I don't know who this Minion is. He's got what has he got with him?
A baby.
A little teddy bear?
Yeah.
Very different. Okay. Okay, we're down to our last one.
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to do the honors to open the bag?
Yes. Hi, that's my dad.
Oh, is that another one without... Oh, this one's got googly eyes. See the difference?
Yeah.
So let's show the difference. Show him. There you go. Look, he's got silly eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. So go ahead and you open yours.
Oh, yeah.
What is this one?
It's a little baby one.
It's a Minion baby.
Yeah.
Well, show him.
Look, everybody.
Oh, he looks like he's.
My little baby Minion.
But he's like this. He's got the same outfit. You see his arms, and he's got the stripes just like the Kung Fu.
Yeah.
So he goes with this one. So he's like this. And then let's see if it will focus.
Oh yeah, they are the same.
Yeah. So
But he doesn't have hair like that.
Well, yeah, they're different Minions, sweetheart.
Okay.
All right, so let's move this camera down just for a second so I can see all that we've collected.
Okay. I'll get all that we collected.
Okay.
Standing up.
Stand them up.
Stand them up, everybody. Yeah.
So all of our collection here. We haven't got a duplicate here, so that's really nice.
This one's in the face.
Here, we'll put him up in front. There we go. Okay, kneel down just a little bit. So which one of these is your favorite? Now that you've got 3 more.
Now I have like 3 favorites now.
3?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you can't just have 1 or 2?
No.
Okay.
So one of my favorites is that one.
Well,
and
pull it out. Hold it up.
This
Show 'em.
one.
The golden one still? Okay.
Yes. And this one.
The Kung Fu one? Okay.
Yeah. And then the Kung Fu baby.
And he's doing the splits. Yo.
Yeah.
Well, we'll have to find out what their names are, sweetheart. So.
And I like this
Wait,
one.
you said 3. Now you got 4?
Yeah.
You're silly.
And now I like another one.
Oh. Okay, so then now 5. Okay, so.
And my nether favorite is running.
You are silly.
I just like all of them.
Okay, all right. Let's go back. Let's tell everybody. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video today.
Yeah.
Please subscribe and comment down below which of the Minions McDonald's ones is your favorite.
Dad,
What?
hold on, everybody.
Okay, hold on. 1 second.
So
Okay.
everyone, look. My daddy got me this Lego, and it's
You put it together. It's
yeah.
who is it?
Aurora, Princess
Princess
Aurora.
Aurora. And she's with show it off real quick. You put that all together with a little help from me, but what else she came with? Did she had a birthday cake?
Oh yeah.
Well, show them. You gotta show the guys, everybody, what you got. In other words, to go with this.
Here's this one.
So she's now in Legos now,
Yeah.
and then hurry!
Oh, Fluttershy.
Oh my gosh, what did you do to Fluttershy? Come on!
Headbands.
Oh, well, get it up here. Show them.
Sorry, everyone. I dropped something.
Show them.
I'm putting a headband back on.
There we go.
See, everyone, this is Fluttershy. It's like one of the famous My Little Ponies that I like, and she's from My Little Ponies. So.
And you got that as a surprise gift for coming home.
Yeah.
All right. Well, guys, we appreciate the prompt change in here in this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below your favorite Minion if you do collect them or if you do have them from the McDonald's Happy Meal toys. And until next time, what do we say?
Bye.